Watch this video and you can learn how to draw this. If you like drawing, you probably like singing. We're gonna sing a song. It's gonna be so much fun, everyone. Come on, it's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Doop, 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 doop. Oh, hello, little artist. Welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie. I'm so glad you're here. Go grab your crayons, your pencils, and your big imaginations because we're gonna make some Artie fun today. Together. Yeah.
It's art time!
Let's get drawing.
Oh, what a great day to make some art. Are you excited? Should we start? Come on then, let's begin. Oh, I love drawing so much. Hi, Bunny.
Can we eat carrots together later?
I love carrots. Yeah.
Me too.
I figured.
Alright, well, have a happy day.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy day. La 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 la. Here we go. Do 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 do. If I do that, run that way. If I do 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 do. La 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 la. Keep watching, because coming up, we're going to have a song. It'll be fun. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's time to stop for a minute and have a song. Are you ready, little artists? I hope you sing along at home. Here we go.
There's a bubblegum moon in the sky tonight, pink and round like a big sweet bite. It floats so high, it's out of sight.
Bubblegum moon, oh bubblegum moon, stick to the stars and shine till noon. Bubblegum moon, oh bubblegum moon,
tried to grab it with a lollipop stick, but the moon said no, and it did a quick flip. It's chewy and stretchy and oh so slick.
It's not for me, it's not for you, it's just for the night, this bubblegum view. Bubblegum moon, oh bubblegum moon, stick to the stars and shine till noon. Bubblegum moon, oh bubblegum moon, pop in the sky with a big kaboom.
What if it drops and lands in my hair? Would it stay forever or vanish in air?
I'd blow it a kiss, I'd give it a stare. Bubblegum moon, don't go anywhere. Bubblegum moon, oh bubblegum moon, stick to the stars and shine till noon. Bubblegum moon, oh bubblegum moon, pop in the sky with a big kaboom.
Bubblegum moon.
Don't go anywhere.
Oh, that was a really good song. Now let's carry on with the drawing.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
I'm finished. Oh, wow, it came out really, really good. Yeah. What should we do now? Oh, I know. Let's color it in.
Color it in. Color it in.
So good. Were you following along at home and drawing as well? I bet your drawing came out really good too. Oh, we are super artists, aren't we?
Brush high, brush low.
We've had fun now. Time to go.
That was the best day ever. Thanks for watching. We hope you come back again. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye.